This week's portion, BeHaalotcha, the third in the book of Bamidbar, the book of Numbers, we continue to learn more aspects about the encampment of the Israelites around the Mishkan, the portable sanctuary. We learn about the preparations for moving as one community, how the people were to march, and what the trumpets were to be sounded, what the people were supposed to recite as they marched and as they rested, and finally, as the people finally begin to move. So, this in chapter 11 of the book of Numbers, all the way since chapter 20 of the book of Exodus, all of that time, they have been encamped at Mount Sinai. They have been learning commandments related to the Mishkan, related to what it meant to be an Israelite community. Now they finally are on the march, and what is the first thing they do? They complain about food and water. And so this is fascinating because as readers of the text, we have been inspired by the laws that have been commanded by Moses to the people of Israel. We've learned about the rituals, we've learned about the worship service, we've learned about the holiness code, what it means to be a holy people. And one would imagine as a reader of the text that the people of Israel have been so inspired and motivated as well. What is the point of the people complaining? And it is fascinating that what we have in the text is really a reflection of human failings. That even the Israelites, even a people who had witnessed these great miracles that have happened in their lives, when push comes to shove, when the people begin to march, they revert to being the human beings that they are, rather than the uplifted spiritual beings that we imagine them to be from having been at Mount Sinai. And so, really, then, what we have had in the Torah until this point is the guideline for what a perfect society could be. And what we have in our Torah reading is what real life society is like, dealing with people who complain, who are not happy with their situation, who need constant guidance by Moses and by God. And so they continue to be taught lessons, and we continue to be taught lessons today. May the Torah inspire us so that even in times where we might feel like complaining, we can find support and strength in the text of the Torah. Shabbat Shalom.